This video will show you how to import and configure the W-9 and I-9 process apps in your Integrify instance. These steps will be the same for both the I-9 and the W-9. You'll just have to download the respective process apps and PDFs. Today I'll be using the W-9 as an example. So first you're going to download the process app and the PDF template from the help site page. So you can download the process app and download the PDF template. So you can see in my files, the two items I downloaded was the W-9 process and the W-9 template. So this is going to be the PDF template, so I'm going to extract that. And I'm also going to extract the process since these are zipped for easier download from the help site. Next, go to your Integrify instance, and then under the administration menu under processes, we're going to click Add Process and Import. Then you can give your process a name, category, and optional description. Now I'm going to upload the JSON file that I downloaded from the help site. And now click Import. Now you will see that the W-9 or I-9 process and form have been imported in your instance to use. Here is where you'll have to upload the government W-9 or I-9 PDF template that you downloaded as well. So under the PDF generator task, right-click under Configuration and Configure Task. You're going to see that the PDF generator task does not recognize the PDF template that was uploaded, so we just have to re-upload it. So we're going to X this one out and re-upload the one that we just downloaded from the help site. Now be sure to click Save. And be sure to click over on the Mappings tab just to make sure that each field mapping for each field carried over. There should be 37 fields for the W-9 and 24 fields for the I-9. You can also see that the W-9 Integrify form has been imported as well, along with the appropriate JavaScript. Be sure to run a few test requests just to make sure that all of the field mappings carry over. Now you will see in the Request Detail tab under the PDF Generator task that a W-9 PDF has been generated, so we can download it and view it here. You can now see that all the fields that I filled out on the Integrify form have carried over to the W-9 PDF. You can use this form and PDF template to incorporate into already created processes in your Integrify instance as well. If you need any assistance, always feel free to reach out to your customer success team.